Hello students. So in this video we are going to study Hershey and Chase experiment. Now see the experimental material chosen by the Hershey and Chase. They have selected bacteriophage. Bacteriophages are the virus which infect bacteria. Now the question is why they have selected the bacteriophage? Because chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. Before biochemical characterization, the scientists were thinking it might be protein. So they wanted to know ki genetic material is what, whether it is protein or DNA, because chromosomes are made up of both DNA and protein. Now bacteriophage, if you know bacteriophage is having protein coat and it is having genetic material. Both are separate. So this is protein coat known as capsid, which is made up of protein, and this is the genetic material, which is DNA. So they have selected bacteriophage because here protein and DNA both are separate. And we get chromosomes, and chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. Now to start their experiment, they prepared radio-labeled bacteriophage in which one protein was radio-labeled, another DNA was radio-labeled. How they were able to select where the protein will be radio-labeled and where DNA will be radio-labeled? See once again, if you know protein is having the biomolecule that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur containing amino acid. So this element is the one which is different in the protein. And DNA, the elements which are present in DNA will be carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. So in DNA, this is the one element which is different, not found in the protein. And in protein, the sulfur is the one which is not present in DNA. So they have prepared radio-labeled bacteriophage by growing the virus in the medium where they have provided S35 and P32. See here, in one medium they are providing S35, another they are providing P32. So the virus which are grown in the P32 medium, it means their DNA is radio-labeled. I'm using this color for the DNA radio-labeled. So the DNA is radio-labeled. And the virus which is grown in S35, there the protein coat is radio-labeled. So first of all, they have prepared two bacteriophage, one in which the DNA was radio-labeled, another was protein was radio-labeled. So before starting their experiment, first they prepared labeled bacteriophage. Now they started the experiment. So first they allow these bacteriophage to infect bacteria. The first step is infection, where the bacteriophage are infecting bacteria. See, this is bacteria, I'm drawing it. This is the bacteriophage causing infection. Here, this bacteriophage is causing the infection. So infection is done, and this is the genetic material of bacteria. So your first step, infection, is done. Now in the next step, during the infection phase, we will find that the genetic material is entering inside the bacteria. See here, genetic material is entering inside the bacteria. So infection phase means the bacteriophage is infecting the bacteria and sending its genetic material. Next step is blending. In the blending, the bacteriophage are now separated from bacteria. See the diagram carefully, please focus it. If you see here, see this bacteriophage are not having connection with the bacteria now. They have just sent the genetic material inside and now they are left outside. In the next step of centrifugation, if you centrifuge it, bacteria is a cell which will be settling down. This is the DNA, radiolabeled DNA. After centrifugation, you can see the result. The bacteria which was infected with P32, the one which was infected with P32, see the board carefully, is showing the radioactivity in cell. Radioactivity is observed in cell. Indicating that the genetic material is a DNA which is passing from one cell to another cell. But the one which was radiolabeled with S35, which was radiolabeled with S35, we are finding radioactivity is present in supernatant. Please focus the diagram carefully. This indicates that yes, the genetic material is the DNA which is able to pass from one cell to another cell. This experiment, which is consisting of 3 steps, the 3 steps are: first is your infection, second is your blending, and third is centrifugation. This indicates yes, genetic material is DNA. When we use the radio-labeled P32 bacteriophage, we are finding radioactivity inside the cell. We are finding radioactivity here, but when we infect with S35, we are finding radioactivity in supernatant, not in the cell. So this is an experiment which gave a proof that yes, genetic material is DNA. Thanks for watching, class.
If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.